Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Pressions unboxing. I have 3 mystery bundles that I purchased. I know, 3 mystery bundles. Pressions recently moved, and right before they moved, they went and put up a sale that it was like 20% off everything, and I went ahead and purchased another mystery bundle before they moved. So initially the way this happened is I purchased a bundle and I just kind of wanted to see what was up with the bundle, and I thought you were going to get like 1 planner cover and 1 planner in the box. But when I got the subscription, there's actually 4 planner covers per box and 2 planners, 2 of their hardbound planners. And like I said, I got the bundle and I was like, oh, this is a really good deal. I purchased the second one and, you know, I was really in love with all of the items. And then I got a notification that the shop was closing because they were moving and they were having a sale. So I went ahead and purchased a third thing. So I have 3 mystery bundles here, and then I also have a small order that I placed before the shop closed. So let me go ahead and stop rambling. Let me show you guys what I got in the very first bundle that I ever purchased. So first I got this Pressions. This is one of the like weeks size planner covers. So this will fit a Hobonichi weeks, and it'll fit the Pressions weeks planners that they have, their hardbound planners. So it does come with something that says like Pression Oops here, to indicate that this is an Oops planner cover. But honestly, like, I haven't seen anything wrong with these. They all seem to be perfect in my opinion. So this is the one that does come with the string closure. So you have a string closure here, and then you have 2 strings here, and you could always add like an extender if you wanted to use this as a TN. So I haven't seen honestly anything wrong with this, so I'm super happy with this. And this is kind of like a white planner cover. So then the second planner cover that I got is this one. So this is also a weeks planner cover, and it is a snap closure, and it's kind of like a wallet style. So this is very interesting. I didn't even know that I hadn't ordered from Pressions in a while, and I didn't even know that they had this style. So I may actually eventually play around with this. I don't normally keep like credit cards or like a wallet. I don't use my planner as like a planner and a wallet, but I know a lot of people do. So again, I don't see anything wrong with it. The only difference between well, not the only difference, I guess the big difference is between this and the other planner cover is that this has like 4 credit card slots and then a big slot just like this. It has a zipper pouch here, and it has 2 strings just like the other one. It has the same crisscross pocket here in the front, and then this is, like I said, a snap closure. So those are the 2 smaller planner covers that I got in the first mystery box. Then I got a B6, I don't know if this is a B6 wide ring bound planner. Now I personally don't have any ring bound planners, so I did recently place an order through So Much Crafting for B6 ring bound or rings inserts. So that was really nice. So you have 2 pockets here, the crisscross pocket design, and a small pocket here in front. And again, I don't honestly see anything wrong with this, and this does have a string closer just like a regular TN. And then the last planner cover that I got, so this one came in that lovely blue, like a baby blue color. And the last one that I got is a B6 TN with 4 strings. I do personally use B6 TNs. The only sizes of TNs that I honestly use are B6 TNs pocket tans, and then recently I've gotten into these. I do have a Hobonichi, but I stopped using it. But you'll see at the end of this video that I've recently gotten into using the B6 or the weeks sized planner. So this is a beautiful like peach color, perfect for like spring or summertime, because I honestly like using this color in the summertime. So I think this is an absolutely gorgeous color. I'm not sure if it's coming off as bright in the like camera, but this is a gorgeous like corally peach color. So these are the 3 planner covers that I received as part, or the 4 planner covers that I received as part of this bundle. And then you get 2 planners with this bundle as well. So this one I got a black planner, and this one is like a daily one. I'm not going to open all of them up, like all the plastic up, to show you, because I have already opened it just to peek to see what style of planner it is. So this is a daily planner. It comes with 3 months worth of planning. So you have a monthly spread here, another page of just like monthly things you can do. So monthly tasks, daily habits, weekly tasks, and then 2 kind of like little checklist thing here. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this is the monthly view, and then it goes into all your weeklies. So it has a week of thing here, kind of like a little horizontal layout here, and then it goes into your daily pages, and then again it starts over with the next week of weekly overview, and then into your dailies. I have already started using one of these and I absolutely love it. So this one is in the black cover, and it is an oops, but like I see a few little dinks and stuff here, but I like honestly like nothing too serious. I don't know if you can see that there. Like I honestly, maybe they have like an extra page here because it's just like blank here, but I honestly don't see what's wrong with it. And it does come with like 2 strings there. So that was the first planner. So basically you're going to get like a week size planner, and then you're going to get a B6 size planner, and it was random if you got the daily one or the weekly one for either one of these. So I got the daily one for the week size planner, and then I got the weekly one for the B6. Now I think these were part of some like collaboration, one of their like print Pression boxes that they did, but like I see kind of like a little bit of a boo-boo there. This is very different than any of the planners that they currently have in their in the shop. This is very easy to tell if there's a boo-boo on here because it's kind of like that shiny satin material. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It is kind of like that shiny satin material. So it's this really pretty lavender color. And like I said, this is the weekly view. So you have all of your months here. This is supposed to be like 12 months. And then you have your week on 2 pages here. And I was really, really excited about this because I wanted to purchase one of these already so that I can use this instead of using like the B6 inserts, because these also fit inside of your B6 planner here. So I thought that was really, really cool. Or you could, buy one of the clear covers that they have, because he does have a few, like, I think clear covers for the B6 size. So yeah, I got the weekly version of the B6 size, and then I got the daily version of the weeks size. That was everything that I got in the first box. So let's go into the second box. So the second box was the one that I had already opened and started using. So first let me start off with the planner cover that I opened and started using already. This is the planner cover that I got in the second box. It is the same color as the snap closure one that I received in the first box, but it is with the string closure design. So this is the current planner that I am using, and it came with a gray colored daily weeks like size. So in the other one I got a black cover, and this one I got a like gray cover, which I absolutely love. I think this is the perfect color to go with like some of these lighter colors that received in the box. Although I do like black, I think it's pretty universal. I started off with this lighter gray color because I wanted to use like a springtime color. And again, this is the same style as the string cover that I showed you earlier, so I'm not gonna go too much in depth, but honestly, like, I don't see anything wrong with these planner covers. So, and then I got I got the daily gray week size one, and then I got another one of these weekly B6 size one. This one is definitely a lot more beat up than the other one. So what I'm thinking about doing is keeping this one for myself and putting the other one into a giveaway in the future, because this does have a full year's worth of a full year's worth, and I don't need two of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass one of those along in a future giveaway, maybe with like one of the covers or something like that. So then I got the other week's insert, or the other week cover that I got a snap closure one in this kind of like sagey green color. I don't really know what to call it. Don't necessarily know if it's 100% my style. I'm still kind of like figuring it out, but again, I could always throw this in a giveaway or pass it along to somebody. As long as I got one cover or two covers in there that I was happy with, then I'm good to go. And I also got that same sage green color in the B6 size with the string closure. So again, I don't know if I necessarily will keep this color. I may pass it along perhaps with this planner here. And then the last one that I got, which again I was super excited about, is I got this B6 rings in this white color here. I love that I now have like a baby blue and now like a white color in the ring size, and I'm excited to start playing around with this ring size format. So that's everything that I got in the second box. So let me show you guys a quick recap. I got a white ring, the sage green B6, I got the sage green snap closure, and then I got the purple or the lilac colored weeks one. I got another one of these B6 weekly ones, and then I got a gray daily weeks size. So that's everything that I got in the second box. So let me show you guys what I got in the third box, and then I will finish it up with the small order that I placed. Start off with the planners. So I got another one of these black daily, I can't speak today, you guys. I have two more of these 3 months planners. This one does have like a little scratch in it, but honestly, like, I really could care less. Like these covers are meant to get scratched up and so that your papers don't get damaged. So it's perfectly fine with me if the covers get scratched up. And then I got another one of the weekly B6 size. I kind of wish I had gotten the daily in the B6 size, but that's okay. That's okay. I like my dailies in the week size. So then the TN cover that I have, and you'll start to see that these colors are going to start repeating. So I got a baby blue in the B6. So now I have a light purple in the B6, a light blue in the week size, a light purple in the weeks with a string, and a white in the weeks with the string. So I have options, but the nice thing about it is that I also have those options with the clasp closure. So I have a white with the clasp closure, I have a purple with the clasp closure, and then I have that sage green color in the clasp closure. Try saying that 3 times fast. So yeah, I got the white version this time in the clasp closure. I also got a purple one, purple string one in the B6 size. So I have the now purple string one in the B6 size, the peach string one in the B6 size, and the sage green string one in the B6 size, which again, I don't know if I'm keeping that sage green. And last but not least, I have the rings in the peach color. So I have the rings in the peach color. I'll show you here. So the rings in the baby blue color, and then the rings in the white color. So, but I didn't get any repeats. In the 3 boxes that I got, I did not get any repeats, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I will eventually do a giveaway with some of these planner covers because I know I'm not going to keep all of them. I will eventually do like giveaways with some of these hardbound planners because again, I know I'm not going to keep all of them. But that was a really nice way of getting my hand on a lot of different planner covers, planner styles, some planner styles that I've never tried before. So I'm really excited to play around with new planners. And then let me show you what I picked up as my like final small order before they close the shop. So I picked up, not knowing that I was going to get a second one of these already, I picked up another one of these daily planners. I picked it up in the black colorway, and I also picked it up in the light pink colorway. I kind of wish I had picked it up like a gray colorway, but that's okay. You know, now I have a lot of dailies to get me through the rest of the year and on to even next year. And then I picked up, here's the business code. Get 25% Annie Plan printables using Pression 25. So I picked up 2 of these because I had not received like the weeklies for print pressions, and I wanted to go ahead and give it a try, but I didn't know which color I wanted to try. So I went ahead and picked up the light pink in the weekly format, and then I picked up the black in the weekly format. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. If you guys have not picked up one of these mystery bundles, I highly recommend that you at least check it out. I think it's a really good price point for 4 planner covers and 2 planners. So again, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.